Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the Starlink app on my phone. As you can see, it's looking all very snowy and just different from the default Starlink interface. I'm talking about the mobile app. Now, one of the things you would also see on this page is the ping success and the latency. And I just want to show you how to activate these things on the Starlink app on your mobile phone. So a lot of people don't really care about this because they don't know where to find it, but you need these stats. You need, to see everything going on here. When Cloudflare, or Google, the ping success, if it's down or something, you can see all this DNS information here. So I just want to show you real quick how to pretty much access these things. There's also the latency as well, which is right here. I'm gonna click on that. So it will give us more information. So if you want to see all of this, I just want to show you a quick way to customize your Starlink app while you're connected to the Starlink. Again, make sure the Starlink is on and you're connected to it. While you're connected, you want to come all the way down here, down where it says advanced. You want to click on that advanced. When you click on it, you'll pretty much see a lot of information about your device. You see the model, the software version, even the serial number is there, which is not safe to share with you. But what I want to show you is where it says theme. You can change the theme to, the new zero gravity theme, the Mars theme. You can also see the debug data here. So what I have done is I changed the theme to snow, and I also changed the this part where it says show statistics widgets. I turned it on. So I'm gonna change this to Mars. If I turn this off, the statistics you see on the home page with the ping and everything is no longer going to show if I turn it off, but I'm gonna leave it on. Now I've changed the theme to Mars. It says show the surface of Mars behind Starlink, and let's see now see the new theme. So that is how to kind of like just customize your Starlink a bit to show some of this information. One of the questions I get asked a lot is how to contact Starlink. You can just go to support to contact Starlink if you're having issues with the device anytime, any day. Sometimes they might not reply to you on time. It might take a couple of days or even a week for them to reply you. That is completely normal. If you want to do more settings, you can just come to settings here, and then you can do more settings within the app. So that's it. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have questions. I will be happy to answer your questions. And yeah, that's it. Take care. I'll see you. Bye.